Hello from my side and a warm welcome on our booth. My name is Sebastian Schneider and today I have the honor to present our protection relay, our 7SX relay, our universal relay. What means universal? Universal means this relay can be everything. So it can be a simple overcurrent protection, line protection, transformer protection, and so on. I will step into my presentation now. So that means one relay fits all application. So it gives you the flexibility to use the hardware in all your application. Is it a line? Is it a transformer feeder? Is it an overcurrent protection, and so on? And the idea is that you have only one hardware on stock, and you can use that if you ever you want for all the application. For example, here for replacement, if one device is out of service, you can use that and you can directly take it from the stock, the device, and bring it in your application. Or the other way around, for a new substation, you can use it, take it from the stock, do the application with Dixie, upload the parameter set, and then you can use it. For the replacement of an existing type device or type specific device, you can do that by one-click migration. So that means you can use the actual parameterization, for example here for the 7SA, and you can use that application and load it into our 7SX85 in that case. That means in the universal device. So, and then here on that slide you can see which kind of device types are covered by our 7SX device, and that means more or less all the type-specific devices are covered by the 7SX device, like the overcurrent distance protection, combined line differential and distance protection, transformer protection, paralleling device, and so on and so on. So that means all the different device types are covered in the universal device type. Also, we provide, since the last version now, the 7SS85 for small busbar application. You can also use the 7SX as a universal device in your application. This gives you the full flexibility. So that means you have to order for your stock, for repair, for replacement, only one hardware type, and then you can upload the existing parameterization to the device by using the function points. And how does it work? So that means you have your 7SX85, your universal protection, and then you can take the functionalities, for example here, the 21 ANSI 21 function, distance protection, or the 97, or here 27 functionality. You put that in your project and Dixie will consume the function points. So, and you have the full flexibility with the function points. That means you can order the device from the factory without function points, and then you have the full flexibility to upgrade the device via our new function point manager. That means in the function point manager you are able to create new license files and upgrade the device as you need. So that means you create your application, then you see, okay, your application consumes 150 function points, for example. Then you go to the function point manager, do the arrangement, type the serial number in, and then you get the license file out of the function point manager, upgrade the device, and then the application is running. So, in that case that you, for example, you don't want to have any function in your device and you have already consumed all the function points, you can also give back function. So that means the device has 100 function points and your application consumes the 100 function points, and you want to change something in your application, then you have the possibility to delete the function and add a new function to your project. So that means you are very flexible. On the other hand, you start your engineering process and you start, for example, with the distance protection, and then you find out, okay, distance protection is not working, time grading is, or the zone cannot be set it, so and you have to change to differential protection, line differential protection. You can do that. You have at any time the full flexibility to change the functionality, to increase the function points, or to add new functions, like, for example, voltage regulator function to the device. So, and also, I think the universal device can easily be used for small CPC applications. That means centralized protection and control applications here. So that means we have one central unit here, and for this example we have a small application with multiple feeder, with multiple base, and for such an approach we can also use here the 7SX device. So that means in each feeder we have a merging unit. Inside the merging unit we can have also backup protection function, and for example here the 7SX85 is doing the feeder protection and additionally also the line protection, and since the last version we can also provide here for a small busbar application the busbar differential protection. So this is also possible. That means in the end such a device gives you the full flexibility. You are not longer bound on the type specific devices, so you can use that and you have the full flexibility over the full life cycle. So, and this was all from my side until now, and if you have any specific questions you can ask me now or you can ask me later, and I will present the device, or I will present something on our stations.
Thank you, Sebastian. There is a question from a customer regarding the compact device, the 7SX800. What kind of applications can you put on that device?
Yeah, also good question on that device. You see it here in our tower. The 7SX800 can cover feeder protection, that means overcurrent protection, motor protection, frequency, voltage protection functionalities, and in the next step we're also providing line protection functionalities in the 7SX800. That was the reason as well. We have only one device type instead of multiple device types as we have it for the CIPROTEC 4 compact class. No other questions? Oh, there's one other question.
Hi, so can you have all of the protection elements in one box? All the protection elements in one box, can you have it?
Yes, you can have also all protection functions in one box. This is more and more coming, and more due to the cost saving potential. You can have more. In the end, the CPU power is limiting the numbers of measuring points and the numbers of functionality which is working in parallel. Me as a transformer lifecycle PLM and responsible for transformer and generator protection, I see a lot of application with 3 times differential, for example, in one box.